Dimensional image is of the nematode or the roundworm. A little bit different than the flatworm in that it has more dimension to it. Nematodes are almost unbelievably abundant. The number of described species is around 12,000, but the true number may be closer to 500,000. One study reported over 90,000 individual nematodes in a single rotting apple. Some species are generalists, occurring across wide areas and in many habitats. Others are much more specialized. Nematodes have colonized nearly every conceivable habitat on Earth. Many nematodes are free-living and act as decomposers and predators on microorganisms, but nematodes also include parasitic species, and a number of affect humans directly or indirectly. These include the common roundworm, which probably infests more than half of the world's humans. Most nematodes are dioecious. Fertilization takes place when males use special copulatory spines to open the female's reproductive tracts and inject sperm into them. Roundworms or nematodes are surrounded by a strong, flexible cuticle, and that's what you're seeing here in the cuticle outside of the body. The body plan is simple. They run the longitudinal direction only. The true coelom is lacking. Instead, nematodes have a pseudocoelom, or the cavity of the pseudocoel is small, being mostly filled with the intestines and oviducts and testes. A simple nervous system consists of a ring of nervous tissue around the pharynx. So let's look at some of these parts. Distal tip cells, okay, which are in the center of the body. The gonads, which run along the body towards the head. Precursor egg cells. Anus. So unlike the flatworm, it does have both a mouth and an anus. Intestine runs the length of the body, as stated. Pharynx, at the front now, not at the bottom like the flatworm. Oocytes are eggs, early sperm. Uterus. Embryos. Very interesting.